Hey there, and welcome. Today we're going to tackle something super useful in everyday English, the 7 days of the week. And trust me, this is important. Why? Well, you'll be using these words all the time to make plans, set up meetings, or just talk about what's going on.
So, have you ever wondered, how do I actually talk about my weekly plans in English? That is exactly what we're going to figure out today. If you stick with me for just a few minutes, I promise you'll be able to do it and feel really good about it too. All right, first things first, we got to learn the names themselves. We'll go through them one by one and really focus on how they sound. I want you to try repeating each word right after me. Ready?
Okay, let's kick things off with the start of the work week. The word is Monday. Say it with me now. Monday. You'll hear a lot of people say something like, ugh, I don't like Mondays.
Up next, we have Tuesday. Now listen to that sound in the middle. It's an ooze sound. Let's try it together. Tuesday. Good. You could say something like, I have a meeting on Tuesday. Okay, here comes a tricky one. Wednesday. Look at how it's spelled. See that letter D in there? Well, here's the secret. We don't say it at all. It's completely silent. So it sounds like Wednesday. Give it a try. Wednesday.
All right, next up is Thursday. Now this one has that th sound at the start, which can be a little tricky. Just put your tongue gently between your teeth and blow a little air. Th, Thursday. You got it. And now for the word that makes pretty much everyone smile. Friday. Let's hear it. Friday. You'll definitely hear people shouting, "Thank God it's Friday." And now we've hit the weekend. The first day is Saturday. Let's say it. Saturday. Yeah, this is the day for chilling out and having some fun.
And wrapping up the week, we have Sunday. Let's say it one last time. Sunday. A nice, relaxing day to end the week.
Awesome job. Okay, let's run through all of them in order just to lock it in. You ready? Here we go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Perfect. Okay, so you've got the words down. But now for the important part. How do we actually use them when we're talking to someone? Let's check it out. So there's one little word that is super, super important here. It's the word on. Whenever you're talking about something happening on a specific day in English, you've got to use on. So you'd say on Monday, on Friday, on Sunday. Always on. Let's look at a schedule here just to see how this works in real life. You could say, on Monday, I have an English lesson. Or maybe, I go to the cinema on Wednesday. And I meet friends on Friday. See that? It's pretty straightforward, right? All right, so that's 7 new words to remember. But how do you make them stick? Don't worry, I've got a couple of really cool and fun tricks to help you out. Okay, check out this cool memory trick. It's a silly sentence. My turtle won't take French study seriously. Now, why is this helpful? Because the first letter of each word, well, it matches the first letter of each day of the week in order. So my is for Monday, turtle is for Tuesday, all the way to seriously for Sunday. It's a fun little way to remember the right order. And here's another really cool fact that might help you remember. Did you know that days are actually named after planets and old gods? For real. Sunday is the sun's day. Monday is the moon's day. And get this, Thursday is Thor's day. Yep, like the superhero with the hammer. How cool is that? Connecting the words to stories like these can make them way easier to remember. All right, we've covered a lot. We learned the names, how to say them, and even how to use them in a sentence. So let's just do one last quick recap to make sure everything's locked in. Okay, let's do this one more time, all together. Say them with me. We've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You totally got this. And before we go, I've got a question for you. What is your favorite day of the week? Go on, try to answer it out loud right now, in English. You could say, my favorite day is Friday, or whatever it is for you. The key is to start using these words as soon as you can. You did an amazing job today.